What can you learn in 30 days? As an ally of creative and problem-solving innovators, we learn when we collaborate within the digital community. That's why we're inviting developers to show us what 1 month can make by joining the Cloud Skills Challenge. 30 days to invent with purpose. 30 days to climb to the top of the leaderboard. 30 days to turn ideas into outcomes. Through an accelerated learning process that encourages you to create your own path to success, whether you are an experienced developer or just starting your journey. You can choose your own learning path on subjects including DevOps, Artificial Intelligence, Cloud Native, and Teams and Power Platform, using step-by-step tutorials, interactive coding, and scripting. So are you ready to rise to the occasion and show us what 30 days can do for you? Join the Cloud Skills Challenge today.